यहाँ कौन है तेरा मुसाफिर, जाएगा कहाँ, दम ले ले घड़ी भर, ये छैया पाएगा कहाँ।
This is Chandigarh, nestling in the foothills of the Shivalik range of the Himalayas, a beautiful city designed and built for peace. Chandigarh was built to receive and give to whosoever came into its fold. Migrants come here seeking solutions for their problems which they may not find elsewhere. Hundreds of people from different regions in India come into Chandigarh in search of livelihoods, particularly those who are exploring treatment options for various ailments and medical conditions. What kind of people come here then?
चंडीगढ़ में आया था, ऐसे काम के लिए आया था। तो यहाँ पे तो मेरी प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी, डॉक्टर ने दिखाना भी था। ये प्रॉब्लम ये था कि ये पैरों में ये सूजन आ जाता था काफी, और कहीं की गांठ गांठ सा दिखने देता था, काफी तकलीफ था।
उसके बाद हमने बनारस गए सर दवा कराने के लिए। सर बोला कुष्ठ रोग है, जो रोग होते हैं ना सर, सुनापन हो जाता है ना।
सूजन हो रही थी, रेडनेस आ रही थी। मेरे पति ने बोला कि यहाँ आ जाओ, मैं हॉस्पिटल में दिखाता हूँ, तो मैं यहाँ आई हूँ।
Leprosy is neither detected nor diagnosed quickly, unlike other ailments. Airborne, this bacillus can stay undiscovered for several years until clinical manifestations are seen. So there is a delay in seeking medical advice, and when this happens, the patient is stigmatized as well. To escape this social slur, the patient or the family moves away from their hometown in search of places that give them the opportunity to seek treatment and live their lives with some kind of peace.
This is a very important aspect of management, the holistic approach. Don't treat the illness, treat the person. So along with the treatment, the counseling part, there we address these problems as well. But if I see a patient who had leprosy, he comes to me after say 1 year or 6 months, and I see his happy face, he tells me that he has started doing his job again or started his studies. That gives me more happiness than anything.
The government multi-speciality hospital, situated in Sector 16 of Chandigarh, is equipped with all the facilities which the patients need. They come in regularly for their medication and treatment is free. Many are not aware that this kind of facility exists in their hometowns too. So they migrate in order to escape the social stigma and come to cities like Chandigarh. The stigma can affect the patient significantly. The need of the hour is to create awareness through every medium, be it community education, in areas where the disease is endemic, or by driving convincing campaigns that could change the perception and attitudes of the people towards those affected by leprosy. The campaigns will need to be conceived in a manner which is significant but enables the patients to grapple with the issues they may encounter.
और अभी मैं काफी ठीक हूँ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। मेरा इलाज लगभग 10 महीने से चल रहा है। काफी डर हुआ था, पर जब मैंने दवाई यहाँ से ली खाई तो काफी ज्यादा मतलब मुझे 1 हफ्ते के अंदर ही ऐसा लगा कि मैं काफी बिल्कुल ठीक हो गया।
उसके बाद हमने चंडीगढ़ आए, यहाँ पे 6 साल मेरे को हो गया काम करते हुए। तो यहाँ पे पेंटिंग काम करते हैं। कुछ पैसा मेरे पास हुआ, उसके बाद हम तुरंत यहाँ पे इलाज कराए यहाँ पे।
सर डॉक्टर ने बोला आप दवाई खाइए, फिर आपको फायदा मिलेगा। जांच करा के फिर सर ने दवा दी, दवा खाई, उससे फायदा मुझे मिला।
With a new city comes new challenges. The patient knows very few people. They may not know the language. Support systems are not available at all. Then how will these migrants manage?
मैं 3 व्हीलर चलाता। अभी पहले काफी ज्यादा थी, पर अब ऑलमोस्ट मैं दवाई सारी आगे गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, तो आप लोगों की कितनी सहायता है तभी इससे कोई प्रॉब्लम।
सर क्योंकि मेरे को तो पता है सर, ये चीज बताने से कोई बंदा डरेगा, क्योंकि मेरे पास तो कोई आएगा नहीं। सर के पास आते हैं तो सर बोलते हैं कोई बात नहीं, डरने की बात नहीं, हम है तो ठीक हो जाओगे, टेंशन मत लेने की कोई बात नहीं।
डर नहीं लग रहा था। 1 साल बोला है डॉक्टर ने, इलाज चलेगा तभी सही हो जाओगी।
मेरी तरफ से यही है कि किसी को भी हो तो ऐसे जैसे पुराने जमाने के लोग छुआछूत वाला सिस्टम करते हैं, ये ना करे। बस टाइम से अपनी सरकारी और पे जहाँ भी अपने आसपास की सरकारी गवर्नमेंट हो वहाँ से अपना टेस्ट कराए, सही से टाइम से दवाई खाएं। 100% उम्मीद है कि 100% जैसे कि मैं खुद ठीक हुआ हूँ तो ऐसे बंदे हर ठीक हो जाएंगे, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं।
गांव जाएंगे, ऐसे घूमने जाएंगे थोड़े दिन के लिए, चंडीगढ़ में रहेंगे फिर गांव जाएंगे।
Many lack literacy skills, hindering their ability to register at primary healthcare facilities, especially as immigrants.
First of all, the discrimination and stigma about the disease. This leprosy disease, nobody wants that it should be disclosed to his near and dear ones. This medical checkup, if it is confirmed that disease is leprosy, then we put the patient on anti-leprotic treatment, that is the multi-drug therapy. And the treatment is free of cost at all the health centers.
We have a goal ahead of us. Intensify every effort to eliminate leprosy by 2030.
It's something that you need to make the person understand leprosy is just a disease like any other thing. The WHO has developed a global leprosy strategy that's meant for 2021-2030. So there are three figures, like I said, zero leprosy, zero infection, zero disease, zero disability, zero stigma, zero discriminations. And this is aligned to a sustainable development goal.
Time is short, but with planned handling of the migration, improved infrastructure and medical aid, it is possible to effectively stem the spread of the condition. This is not an impossible task if the effort is consistent, well planned, and garners strong governmental support. Once migration is addressed, most other factors will fall in line and robust support systems can be built. Sustained collaboration among the government, the medical fraternity, civil societies, and grassroots educators will address the migration and curb the spread of leprosy. This will effectively provide relief through quality healthcare and establish systems to track each and every patient and their whereabouts. This will be the foundation to help us eliminate leprosy by 2030.
मुसाफिर हूँ मैं, मुसाफिर हूँ